Hi, this is Mix from Crafty Mix. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a teeny tiny miniature park bench in under 5 minutes, guaranteed. To make the bench, you're going to need a hammer, square tubing or a wooden beam, as long as it's square, jewelry wire, wire cutters, and some wooden stirrers or those craft sticks that you find all over the place. Start by cutting 2 equal lengths of the jewelry wire. They should be long enough to wrap around the tube with a little extra for a backrest. Place the cut wire on a hard, flat surface and smack it with a hammer, the flat end of a hammer. This is my favorite bit. All your frustrations out the window. Just mind your fingers. Do the same with the other piece of wire. When it's nice and flat, wrap the wire all the way around the square tubing. I find this the quickest way to make 2 legs that are exactly the same size and exactly the same shape. So there's no worries about, oh, I've got to start again or anything like that. And then that sticky uppy bit, that will become the backrest or the back support. Once you're happy, take some press stick. You need 2 blobs of it and push them down on a level surface. The distance between the blobs will determine how long the park bench will be. So if you want like a really long park bench, put them further apart. And if you want to do a small little chair, maybe for your fairies outside, put them closer together. Then you push the wire legs, the bottom of the wire legs, into the press stick. I will keep them upright while we do the next bit, which is adding the wooden bits on the park bench. You cut the stirrers. They need to be a little bit longer than the distance between the 2 legs, and then you just glue them down, and that's it. So quick and easy. Thank you for watching.